Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brent. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Boomerang. This is my absolute favorite thing to do with Flowstar. I recommend a big open space for this one. Do it outside ideally with a little bit of gust. And you want to be facing the direction the wind is coming from. The most reliable way I've found to do a boomerang is to start off with a inwards horizontal figure eight with your dominant hand. And the key to getting the star to go out and then come back to you is the release point. So when you're doing your horizontal figure eight, the release point is going to be when the star swoops underneath your arm like this, and you let go of it as it comes out from underneath your arm. So here's an example. You're doing your horizontal figure eight. As it swoops, that's when you let go. Here's another example. Swoop, let go. This is the motion without the star. Bring it up, under, and around. Swoosh, just like that. This one is a trick that requires a lot of trial and error. You're going to be throwing the star, you're going to be chasing the star around everywhere. That's totally normal. It took me a while to learn this one, but it's just a blast to do. Outdoor festivals, out at the park with your friends, doing some passing. Take advantage of the wind. If it's really windy, I'd recommend starting your boomerangs low and letting go and using less force. The more wind there is, the less force you can use when you let go of the star, because you want to let the wind just carry it right back to you. Once you get good enough at knowing the release point of this, you can do it in indoor big spaces as well. But I'd recommend starting to practice this move outside with a little bit of gust to assist you. Yeah, let me know if you guys have questions, comments down below. There are a bunch of different ways to do a boomerang. This is just the way that I've found is the most reliable. And remember, patience, trial and error. Keep throwing the star, keep chasing it around. Eventually it'll cooperate and come back to you. But yeah, thanks for watching.